Assalamu alaikum, good morning, welcome back to my channel once again. If you are new on my channel, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my video. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button as well. Let's get started. This is gold daily chart. If you have watched my video yesterday, I have given you a resistance of 1835. Gold made just high around 1835 and now currently trading around 1834. Gold still need to break the resistance in order to return to major positive. But today we have one of the most important data for this month. We have consumer price index, or you can say inflation numbers. Last month inflation rose to a 40-year high in December, coming at around 7% when it released. Now market is expecting a rise in inflation once again. Many analysts are expecting rise around 7.2%. Many are expecting around 7.3%. This is almost certain that we will be having a rise in inflation by the time the data is released, but there could be a surprise as well, because the inflation is rising with a faster pace and rising very consistently. So I will not be surprised if there is a dip or there is a break in inflation numbers for a month or so. Now we will be discussing the number when it released on our streaming channel link on your screen right now. You can join me before data on live stream. Coming today on the chart, currently gold is trading in positive zone. If you are watching my videos regularly, then you must be knowing that we have concluded gold is in positive zone since it broke 1818. So let's have a look at resistance and support for today's trading session. I will refresh these levels after inflation. I will be refreshing the levels on my streaming channel, so make sure you join me for live stream as well before the data. Support now stands at 1824. If gold break and sustain below this support, then expect gold to test around 1818 and $1,810. Resistance at 1842. If gold break and sustain above this resistance, then expect 1850 and 1860. Currently gold is in positive zone, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to silver. This is silver. It seems to be underperforming the gold. Currently trading $23.27. Let's have a look at resistance and support in silver. 2310. That will act as support now. If silver break and sustain below this support, then expect silver to test around $23 and $22.70. Resistance at 2350. Above this resistance, expect silver to test around 2370 and 2390. Currently silver is in flat zone, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to crude oil. This is crude oil. It is about to enter in positive zone. I'll be giving resistance and support, but yesterday it bounced back from 88.40 to test around 90.50. Let's have a look at resistance and support for today's trading session. 90.20. That will act as a resistance now. If if crude oil break and sustain above this resistance, then expect oil to test around $91 and $92. Support 88.30. If oil break and sustain below this support, then expect $87 and $86. Currently crude oil is in flat to weak zone, but it will remain positive once it breaks the resistance of $90.20. Let's move on to forex. First, euro. This is euro. Yesterday it tested around 1448 and now trying to break the 1400. Interestingly, it has entered in positive zone, so let's have a look at resistance and support. 1400 will act as support now. If euro break and sustain below this support, then expect 1370 and 1340. Resistance 1460. Above this resistance, expect 1490 and 1520. Currently, euro is in flat to positive zone, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to British pound. This is British pound. It tested around 35.90 and now it is trading around 35.30. It has entered in weak zone, so let's have a look at resistance and support for today's trading session. 35.60, that will act as a resistance now. If British pound break and sustain above this, expect 35.90 once again and then 36.20. Support at 34.95. If British pound break and sustain below the support, then expect 34.70 and 34.50. Currently it is in weak zone, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to cryptocurrencies. First, Bitcoin. These are the levels I have given you yesterday. Interestingly, these are the level are still valid. 43,000 will act as support. Below this support, expect Bitcoin to test around 42,500 and 42,000. Resistance at 44,500. Above this resistance, expect 46 and 47,000. I updated these levels in streaming, so you can check new levels of gold, silver, crude oil, cryptos in streaming as well. Let's move on to Ethereum. These are the levels I have given you yesterday in streaming. The level have broken, so let's have a look at resistance and support now. Support now $31.20. Resistance at 32.60. Currently trend is positive, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to Indian markets. Currently Indian gold price is trading 48,690. Resistance at 48,860. Support at 48,570. I will refresh these levels once INR close around 5 PM, so make sure you check 5 PM levels as well. Silver is trading 62,740. Silver resistance at 63,400. Silver support at 62,200. You can also check crude oil, copper and zinc level in community post by clicking the join button. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to press the like button. For paid signal service, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. Number is in description. That was the video, guys. If you have enjoyed the video, please give this video a thumbs up. And for regular update, consider subscribing my channel. If you have any feedback, please leave a comment in comment section. Now I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.